37 degrees overnight tonight. It's definitely going to be chilly because of the clear skies, and we are in the wake of that storm system that brought in some snow showers to our north and a few spotty showers down here in the south. Tomorrow, though, 71 degrees with partly sunny skies. It should remain quiet for the most part Tuesday, but we do have another storm on the way that's going to make things a little bit interesting for us. 40s and 50s off to the north, some 50s and even 60s down here in the south, so noticeably cooler from where we were this time yesterday. Wind speeds very light across the board, and we're kind of in between storm systems right now with that storm off in Texas and the other one just entering the Pacific Northwest. This one is going to be of concern because it is packing a very cold punch. Matter of fact, we are anticipating a pretty decent temperature drop statewide because of this storm. Initially, though, tomorrow we'll get the southwesterly winds ahead of the storm. It's going to be fairly dry, however, as we head into late tomorrow evening. We'll start with the showers in the Four Corners, with all this shower activity spreading eastward as the Wednesday wears on and heading into early Thursday morning. But we probably won't see anything here until Wednesday during the day. So here's what's going to happen with this very cold storm. It's packing some very cold air with it. We'll see showers and storms mainly up in the mountains because the storm is relatively dry compared to the one we saw last week. However, as this storm progresses a little bit further to the east, we'll tap into some moisture out here in Texas and Oklahoma from the Gulf, essentially. That could help aid in bringing in some pretty good snows along the east slopes of the Sangre de Cristos. Maybe we'll see a few of those showers, at least the benefits of it, down here in our area. It just depends on what the track is going to do with this low. Right now, it looks like the low is going to track a little bit further off to our north into eastern portions of Colorado and back off into Kansas and Nebraska. So again, if it makes a southerly track, then we could see a little bit more moisture out of this. But right now, it looks like it's going to be drier compared to last week's storm. So across the country right now, we're getting those strong storms across eastern Texas and back off into Louisiana, and there's our biggie up in the Pacific Northwest. Matter of fact, they are seeing rain in Seattle right now with 49 degrees, 60s in Boise, 60s and 70s, and even 90s down in Los Angeles. I tell you what, a ridge of high pressure, just a quick ridge, makes the difference with those Santa Ana winds. Tonight will be in the teens, 20s, and 30s, with tomorrow's highs in the 50s, 60s, and 70s. Hobbs, 72 with 73, Carlsbad, and 69 in Alamogordo. 7-day forecast, partly to mostly sunny skies, low 70s, and then we cool off as we head into the middle of the week. You can bet that we'll probably see some higher elevated snow showers, especially around the Sacramentos, and very cold rains here in the valleys. Matter of fact, overnight lows expected to drop in the 40s.